हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू योर चैनल। आज हम करने वाले हैं बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन का पावरफुल मॉक टेस्ट। टोटल 50 क्वेश्चंस होंगे, हर क्वेश्चन के लिए मिलेगा 5 सेकंड्स का टाइम। तो रेडी हो जाओ नोटबुक लेकर। लेट्स स्टार्ट द टेस्ट। Question 1. Who proposed the five kingdom classification? A. Aristotle, B. Linnaeus, C. Whittaker, D. Darwin. Correct answer C. Question 2. Monera kingdom includes A. Only eukaryotes, B. Only prokaryotes, C. Multicellular organisms, D. Only plants. Correct answer B. Question 3. Cell wall of fungi is made up of A. Cellulose, B. Peptidoglycan, C. Chitin, D. Lignin. Correct answer C. Question 4. Which kingdom includes unicellular eukaryotes? A. Monera, B. Protista, C. Fungi, D. Plantae. Correct answer B. Question 5. Bacteria reproduce mainly by A. Binary fission, B. Budding, C. Fragmentation, D. Spore formation. Correct answer B. Question 6. The term prokaryote means A. True nucleus, B. Without nucleus, C. Multicellular, D. With organelles. Correct answer B. Question 7. Cyanobacteria are also called A. Green algae, B. Blue-green algae, C. Red algae, D. Fungi. Correct answer B. Question 8. Nuclear membrane is absent in A. Protista, B. Fungi, C. Monera, D. Plantae. Correct answer C. Question 9. Which organism belongs to Protista? A. Amoeba, B. Mushroom, C. Bacteria, D. Moss. Correct answer A. Question 10. Slime molds belong to A. Monera, B. Protista, C. Fungi, D. Plantae. Correct answer B. Question 11. Methanogens are found in A. Soil, B. Marshy areas, C. Human intestine, D. Both B and C. Correct answer D. Question 12. Archaebacteria differ from eubacteria in A. Size, B. Cell wall composition, C. Shape, D. Reproduction. Correct answer B. Question 13. Diatoms have cell walls made of A. Silica, B. Cellulose, C. Chitin, D. Protein. Correct answer A. Question 14. Viruses are A. Cellular organisms, B. Acellular particles, C. Prokaryotes, D. Fungi. Correct answer B. Question 15. Virus protein coat is called A. Capsid, B. Capsule, C. Cell wall, D. Envelope. Correct answer A. Question 16. Viroids consist of A. DNA only, B. RNA only, C. Protein only, D. DNA जोड़ protein. Correct answer B. Question 17. Prions are A. Infectious proteins, B. Bacteria, C. Viruses, D. Algae. Correct answer A. Question 18. Which fungi is unicellular? A. Mushroom, B. Yeast, C. Rhizopus, D. Penicillium. Correct answer B. Question 19. Reserve food in fungi is A. Starch, B. Glycogen, C. Oil, D. Protein. Correct answer B. Question 20. Mycelium is made up of A. Spores, B. Hyphae, C. Roots, D. Cells only. Correct answer B. Question 21. Algae are included in kingdom A. Monera, B. Protista, C. Fungi, D. Animalia. Correct answer B. Question 22. Red algae contain pigment A. Chlorophyll, A. B. Phycobialing, C. Carotene, D. Xanthophyll. Correct answer B. Question 23. Green algae store food as A. Glycogen, B. Oil, C. Starch, D. Protein. Correct answer A. Question 24. Bacteria showing spiral shape are called A. Kochi, B. Bacilli, C. Spirilla, D. Vibrios. Correct answer A. Question 25. Which is not a prokaryote? A. E. coli, B. nostoc, C. amoeba, D. methanobacterium. Correct answer A. Question 26. Kingdom Protista includes A. Bacteria, B. Slime molds, C. Moss, D. Fern. Correct answer B. Question 27. The genetic material in virus may be A. Only DNA, B. Only RNA, C. DNA or RNA, D. Both together. Correct answer C. Question 28. Lichens are association of A. Bacteria plus algae, B. Algae plus fungi, C. Virus plus bacteria, D. Moss plus fungi. Correct answer B. Question 29. Which kingdom has autotrophic and heterotrophic members? A. Monera, B. Protista, C. Both A and B, D. Plantae. Correct answer C. Question 30. Chrysophytes include A. Diatoms, B. Euglena, C. Yeast, D. Mushroom. Correct answer A. Question 31. Euglena shows A. Only autotrophic nutrition, B. Only heterotrophic nutrition, C. Mixotrophic nutrition, D. Parasitic nutrition. Correct answer C. Question 32. Which fungi reproduce by conager? A. Rhizopus, B. Penicillium, C. Mushroom, D. Yeast. Correct answer B. Question 33. Bacterial flagellum is made up of A. Tubulin, B. Flagellin, C. Actin, D. Myosin. Correct answer B. Question 34. Archaebacteria live in A. Extreme conditions, B. Normal soil, C. Fresh water only, D. Plants. Correct answer A. Question 35. The smallest living cell is A. Amoeba, B. Mycoplasma, C. Yeast, D. Algae. Correct answer B. Question 36. Viruses reproduce only inside A. Water, B. Soil, C. Host cell, D. Air. Correct answer C. Question 37. Which is a photosynthetic bacteria? A. Lactobacillus, B. Nostoc, C. Streptococcus, D. Salmonella. Correct answer B. Question 38. Cell wall in eubacteria is made of A. Cellulose, B. chitin, C. Peptidoglycan, D. Silica. Correct answer C. Question 39. Kingdom fungi is mainly A. Autotrophic, B. Heterotrophic, C. Mixotrophic, D. Photosynthetic. Correct answer B. Question 40. The five kingdom system was given in year A. 1969, B. 1956, C. 1866, D. 1977. Correct answer A. Question 41. Which organism causes late blight of potato? A. Rhizopus, B. Phytophthora, C. Yeast, D. Nostoc. Correct answer B. Question 42. Viruses were discovered by A. Robert Hooke, B. Ivanovsky, C. Darwin, D. Mendel. Correct answer B. Question 43. The living nature of viruses was proved by A. Stanley, B. Pasteur, C. Watson, D. Fleming. Correct answer A. Question 44. Fungi show cell wall made of A. Lignin, B. Pectin, C. chitin, D. Silica. Correct answer C. Question 45. Protists are mostly A. Multicellular, B. Unicellular, C. Colonial only, D. Without nucleus. Correct answer B. Question 46. Bacteria helpful in curd formation A. Lactobacillus, B. Rhizobium, C. Salmonella, D. Nostoc. Correct answer A. Question 47. Rhizobium helps in A. Photosynthesis, B. Nitrogen fixation, C. Respiration, D. Fermentation. Correct answer B. Question 48. Which is a filamentous algae? A. Chlamydomonas, B. Volvox, C. Spirogyra, D. Amoeba. Correct answer C. Question 49. Linnaeus proposed A. 5-kingdom system, B. 2-kingdom system, C. 3-domain system, D. 6-kingdom system. Correct answer B. Question 50. 3-domain system was proposed by A. Whittaker, B. Linnaeus, C. Carl Woese, D. Aristotle. करेक्ट आंसर सी. टेस्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है. ताली बजाने अपना फाइनल स्कोर कमेंट में जरूर लिखना. 40 जोड़ आए हैं तो एक्सीलेंट. 3-0 -40 गुड. बिलो 30 रिवाइज वंस मोर बुक्स. नेक्स्ट मॉक टेस्ट का नोटिफिकेशन मिस ना हो इसलिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो.